Good day, viewers. You are welcome. This is Introduction to Functional Equation for beginners. Here you will learn the basic knowledge of a functional equation. What do we mean by a functional equation? A functional equation is an equation in which the unknown is a function rather than a number. The goal here is to determine the functions that satisfy the equation for all values of the variable. For example, let's take this example 1. Find f of I 5 if the function is f of x equals to 2x minus 7. For a beginner, just watch closely. Solution. The function is f of x equals to 2x minus 7. But we are to find f of 5. Substitute x equals to 5. That is, anywhere you find x in the function, just substitute 5. For the first, the function becomes f of 5 equals to 2. This is another x. Substitute 5 minus 7. F of 5 will be equals to 2 times 5, that is 10 minus 7. And f of 5 will be equals to 3. For the first question, the final answer will be f of 5 equals to 3. Question 2. Find the function Now let's look at this. Find the functions satisfying f of x plus 1 equals to 2x plus 5. This is unlike the first example, whereby we are looking for f of 5. Whenever you are having a function like this, x plus 1, if any basic operation, either plus or minus, or division comes in between the variables, we will replace that function by a new variable, which is t. Then we can just say let t equals to x plus 1. If I want to make x as subject, then x will be equals to t minus 1. I've made x as subject. Now, anywhere we find x plus 1, we just replace it by t. Then we have f of t will be equals to 2. This is x, and we said x is equals to t minus 1. T minus 1 plus 5. F of t will be equals to, let's expand the bracket, 2 times t, that is 2t, minus 2 multiplied by 1, 2, plus 5. F of t will be equals to 2t minus 2 plus 5, that is plus 3. Now, replacing t by x. Replacing t by x, that is, anywhere we find t, we just replace it by x. f of x will now be equals to 2. This is t. Let's represent it by x. Then we have 2x plus 3, and this will be the answer. This satisfies the function satisfying is f of x equals to 2x plus 3. Now question 3. Find f of x if f of 2x equals to 6x plus 1. If I'm having a function like this as well, the operation here is multiplication. So we introduce a new variable, which is t. You can just say let t equals to 2x. If I want to make x as subject, x will be equal to t upon 2. Now let's substitute it. F of 2x now, 2x equals to t. Then we have f of t equals to 6. This is x, and x equals to t over 2. T upon 2 plus 1. F of t will be equals to 2 here 1, 2 here 3. 3 multiplied by t, that is 3t plus 1. Replacing t by x. Then we have f of x. The actual question says we find f of x. F of x will now be equals to 3x plus 1, and this will be our answer. Question 4. Find the function satisfying f of x minus 4. Find the function satisfying f of x minus 4 equals to 5x minus 6. You know how to solve this? According to the previous examples, just replace this by t. You can just say let t equals to x minus 4. Making x as subject, x will be equals to t plus 4. Now f of x minus 4 will become f of t equals to 5. This is x, and x equals to t plus 4. Open bracket, t plus 4 minus 6. F of t will now be equals to, let's open this bracket, 5 multiplied by t, that is 5t. 5 multiplied by 4, that is 20, minus 6. F of t will be equals to 5t. 20 minus 6 will give 14. Now replacing t by x, the answer will become f of x will be equals to 5x plus 14. Now can you try this? Try this. If we have f of x, find f of x. Find f of x if f of x plus 5 equals to 4x plus 9. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.